Hello and welcome to a little bashing video from RC Empire, featuring our Tamiya TT-01 race build with a really cool brand new bashing body that we picked up for it. A Porsche Cayenne, which looks great around the track, and we have a few fun videos coming with this later on. Of course, this is not the body we will be using for the race series, and even though it only cost us £5 and is really tough, it's just far too top heavy and it feels like there's more weight on the back end. So compared to the Yeah Racing Honda Civic body we've got and we'll be using for the race, with this Porsche body, the back end of the TT-01 really wants to kick out. And there's also no wing, which we could add, but for bashing, we want it to kick out, especially when we go off-road. And this is one of the fantastic things about the TT-01 or even the TT-02 and other Tamiya models. They are so versatile. We got this TT-01 set up for racing on the track, but at the same time, as many of you have seen on our Instagram page, we've taken this off-road, rallied it, and of course jumped it quite heavily, as you can see. And on the next week, we're back racing it on the track and it's perfectly fine. But do get yourselves a decent pair of shocks to absorb any jumps and bumps, as you can see in episodes 10 and 11 of our race build. And okay, you might need to reset the shocks and the ride tide when you go back on track, but I wouldn't dream of doing this with a more expensive car or a carbon chassis racer. So, brilliant fun and a great all-round car to have. But that's it, I hope you enjoyed this little video, and do watch out for our TT-01 race series. Do support your local clubs and get racing. Also watch out for part 2 of this video, which is going to be a lot more action packed. But that's it, enjoy the rest of the video. Please do rate, comment and subscribe for more content, and keep an eye out for our next videos. Thank you for watching and see you soon.